Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Today we will play Sunflowerland. We will explore some new things that have been added into this gameplay. So let's start from this mailbox. There are few new mails have been added. So let's start on the from the first mail. The desert has awakened. Attention, adventures. The mysterious sand of the desert have shifted, revealing a hidden path to ancient treasure. Prepare your tools. Equip yourself with a sturdy shovels and keen eyes. The desert holds challenges and rewards for those ready to explore the vast expanse. Okay, learn the clues of the desert and claim seasonal reward. Good luck. Okay, let me open the gift. Oh, that's nice. 30 sand shovel used for digging treasure. That's great. I got 30 sand shovel. Now far out treasure season. Here can people of Sunflowerland, I, the Pharaoh, speak to you from beyond the sands of time. A great desert storm has arisen, and the ancient sand has spread across the land and brought rare collectibles. Collect amber fossils for your chance to claim them. Hurry, you only have 3 months, beginning on August 8th. Oh, I'm a bit late as I was busy in other tasks, so I couldn't come here. So today is 13th, maybe 12th in some part of this world. So today. Let's start from today. And Bumpkin will offer amber fossils as rewards for deliveries and chores. Good luck in mystical season. Often gift 50 amber fossils. A ticket used during the Pharaoh treasure season. Claim. That's great. And apart from that, new portal has appeared. We will check that. Stella, hey there, wonderful residents of our blooming community. Act now. Head over to Plumpkin Plaza and make sure to secure your new items before clocks run out. Okay, no problem. Time to earn amber fossils. Amber fossils are live. You can now complete deliveries chores to earn these tokens. Gather enough amber fossils to exchange for prize in the mega store auction. Just a reminder, this session will you will no longer find bonus tickets from co-ops. Okay, basically in other session you used to get that bonus tickets when you were harvesting costs, but from this session, or maybe for this session, you are no longer be eligible to get any bonus tickets. But no problem, you got 50 tickets, I guess. You too got that. And a new portal has appeared in the kingdom. To compete it to claim your rewards. Climb the faction leaderboard. Enjoy minigame was built by Polymos. Okay, we will check out. But before that, let me do some chores. Okay, I have taken all the access, so I will chop those trees first. Collect that blue mushroom. Now I will. Oh no, pickaxe is left. One stone pickaxe I could have made, but I don't have that much ingredients, means that much rocks, so I cannot make any new. What's Manekineko is offering? One cauliflower burger. And maybe I'm having some. So let's plant those crops, potatoes basically, and I will buy a block buck so that I will replenish my ingredients. Nice. Before that, I'll check if anything is left in this session. Nothing I can buy. Okay, and here only 400 cauliflowers are in stock, but I am not going to buy that right now. Not interested. Okay, and in my stocks there are lots of crops to sell, and no exotic thing, no greenhouse, olive, no olive even. Okay, so let's replenish it, restock. 1 day 10 hours. Okay, I am having 13 block bucks. You are going to use one block box to restore all shops item in the game. Are you sure you restock? Okay, it's fine. So now onwards I can use the fresh things. You can see all the things have been restocked, and I can use those. Now next thing, what I'll do next, I'll go to plaza and check out what the situation is and how we can earn the gift, VIP access. And I am not going to buy any VIP. This is my strategy, that I'll not buy any VIP. I will not spend any money here, because this game is good, but if it's not giving me any profit, I will not spend much here, because this game has a good finance backup, but it's very slow. If you want to, if you want to grow here, you need to be very very patient, and you have to be very very you need a luxury key to open this chest. You can get the treasure key by completing task to pumpkin. Yes, if you need to grow here, you need to be very very patient, and you need to play regularly. So this is the problem for me. I cannot play here regular basis. I do come here, but I cannot confirm that every day in the week I come here and play the game. So in my opinion, what you can do, if you are like me, if you are a player like me, that they don't have that much time to play. This woodland is of, this is Bumpkin Kingdom, I guess. So what you can do, you can just play plain and simple game. Go back to home, I'll show you. Here is your stocks, right? You keep on selling, but the thing is that if you keep on selling these stocks here, you will earn only coins. Look, you can, if you sell 10 kale, you will get 100 coins, and that's very much needed, because if you are out of coin, you cannot do anything. And for block, if you want to buy block bucks, you have to spend your real money in terms of matic, you can buy. And SFL to coin, if you are having SFL, you can convert it to coin, but there is no way of conversion from coin to SFL. and even you can buy VIP with those block bucks. So we have to find a way so that we can get a points in how we can earn some SFL, because at the end of the day SFL matters. So what you can do, click on delivery, new delivery, and check out which thing is giving what product. Yes, here this one is SFL, and this one are coin. You can see it clearly that if, and these one are amber fossils. They have segregated those parts. So what I will do, whenever from now onwards I will come here to play, I will keep on concentrating that however I will try to produce those things and deliver here. Travel to plaza. Whom? Betty. Here is Betty. So she is asking 10 eggs. Hooray, you have bought the ingredients I ordered. They are as fresh, as vibrant as you can be. Okay, basically I have to give her 10 eggs and I will earn 1.2 SFL. Deliver. Completed. Nice. Now I will check out. Okay. Stone. If I can deliver 25 stone and 50 wood, I would get 2.35 SFL. That's nice. I can make it done because I have replenished all the stocks and I have got a fresh stock. And these crabs, I need to give crabs to blacksmith. And this ray, one ray, if I have one ray, then fine. And pumpkin cake for 1.9 SFL, potato cake for 1.95 SFL, and cabbage cake, chowder. I need to produce two chowder, but this one cabbage cake is a good deal, I guess. So go back to home, and you can see the deliverables here from here as well. You don't need to go there to check out what are the deliverables. You can check at your home. So chop three trees, and there are new kingdom chores. In next 5 days you can do these things: chop three trees, craft two pickaxe, mine two stones, complete tasks around the farm to earn mark from your faction house. Okay, this is a very easy task. Craft two pickaxe and mine two stones. Let's do it. Two, and check out. Look, all the task has been done, and I probably got those. Now what I'll do, I will start cabbage cake, right? Is it cabbage cake? Let me check out once again. Yes, it's cabbage cake. So I will start preparing cabbage cake, and for that I need 15 eggs, 10 wheat, and 90 cabbages, and I must feed those chickens so that they can lay more eggs for me and I can keep producing cakes. And these things have been done, so I will buy 40 wheat, and I'll plant those so that there will be abundance of wheat to me and I can feed those chickens and they will lay eggs and I will keep on preparing cakes. So now onwards, I have decided that as I am not a very regular player here, I will keep on playing to get SFL only. I will not try to do any tasks here, because if you keep on doing tasks, then you may earn mark. You may earn mark. You may earn amber fossils, but those things are very ephemeral. Ephemeral means for 3 seasons or for 3 months or for 2 months it will work, and after that a new thing will come up. And they have uh, set up their economy in such a way that your your ingredients will keep on decreasing, and you will not earn enough SFL out of it. So, in my opinion, I am not going to spend any ingredients in terms of making those in terms of fulfill those chores and all these things. I will do only those part. I will check out here, and this part I will try to fulfill every day. Whatever is possible, I will do that. And in my ingredients you can see, no, not chest, sorry, in the ingredient, in the basket, you can see what I am having. I have to sell those in time and again to earn some coins so that I can buy more seeds and those eggs, pickaxe, all those things. And I have to convert it into some food, and I will sell it to that. I will fulfill those orders. This is the basic thing I have decided, and so far these foods I have made, and I will try to deliver those. This is eggplant cake. That's nice. If I keep on eating, my pumpkin will grow in level and I may expand some more lands. But at the end of the day, I have to put some money. I have to invest some matic here to grow more. But in this situation, eat if I don't eat it out, I don't have to spend anything right now. I can manage my economy so that I will produce those things in the bakery and in kitchen, and I can deliver it to those places, and I have 12 block bucks so that I can use it and keep on restocking until those 12 block buck ends. So this is my strategy for now, and hopefully I will show you how much I have earned in coming days. Mark this, 278 SFL now I am having. I am trying to reach 1000 SFL as early as possible. That's my motto for now. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.